Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto subtitles for free in DaVinci Resolve 20. So you're making content and you want subtitles in your video. Now, if you're using DaVinci Resolve Studio, you already know there's a built-in option under Timeline called Create Subtitles from Audio. But if you're on the free version, don't go anywhere because this method is a complete lifesaver. This all starts with Tom Maroney's Auto Subs script. You can download it using the link in the description. Open Google Chrome and paste the link into the address bar. On the website, click Download. Let's go back. Now, double-click the file you just downloaded. Install the script normally. Let's go back to DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects, then Titles. Drag in Text Plus or any text preset you like. Head over to the inspector and start customizing. Customize the text however you like. Once your subtitle design looks perfect, go to the Media pool and drag that Text Plus clip up there. This saves the look so we can reuse it automatically. After that, you can delete the text clip from the timeline. Now for the fun part. Go up to Workspace, then Scripts, and choose Auto Subs. This is where the magic happens. Inside the script window, first select the audio track, then click on Output Track and select where you want to import your subtitle files. Next, click on the basic template and select the subtitle style you just saved in the media pool. You can also set your language here. You can translate subtitles to English, force all caps or lowercase text, or even remove punctuation if that fits your style. Next, adjust the words per line and characters per line. These settings control how the subtitles break across the screen. Once everything looks good, click Start Transcription. After the processing is done, click Add to Timeline. If you need an SRT file to upload separately to YouTube, you can export it right here as well. Here, you can see all your subtitles perfectly placed on the timeline, synced to the audio, styled exactly the way you designed them, and yes, completely free. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.